Hello guys, it's me again, and today I have a bit of a different video for you. I'm in the forest as you can see, and I figured I haven't been here a long time, and after quite a long period I came in again and I just was like instantly relaxed and in sync with nature, with calmness of this place and the natural rhythm. I can feel again like the waves coming through. It's like just I can feel after a long time you can just take a breather and just let's go. It's just like so I just wanted to share this experience with you because as I said, I want to share insights into my life. So this is a really important thing for me because I'm really connected with nature. And let me just show you. Look at this. These big rocks. Oh my goodness. It's so beautiful. Oh, I'm in awe of nature. It always surprises me. I'm just like, oh, where did you come from? Oh, so pretty. I'm just wondering if this is the remnants of the, like, maybe water was here and it just stayed like that after the water here was no more, but the rock still stayed. My theory, but yeah, maybe I'm wrong. So just gonna sit on these rocks and just, usually when I come here I don't like to disturb the nature, so this is a bit of like different kind of video, but usually I just stay and listen and just relax and get in sync with nature, and it always tells me what I need to do or hear, or gives me new ideas. So okay, somebody's waiting for me, I have to go.